Hey guys, what's happening? This is super common question. Let's go dissect this. How to transfer photos from iPhone to laptop. Method 1, you can use a USB cable, right? USB cable, iPhone, right? This is the most reliable and doesn't need internet. On Windows laptop, connect iPhone to a laptop using the Lightning or USB-C cable. Unlock iPhone and tap Trust this computer and enter passcode. Right, on Windows, open File Explorer, this PC, and you will see your iPhone under Devices and Drives. Open it, go to DSIM folder, and you will find photos and videos organized by folders. Copy and paste photos into your laptop's desired folder. The pros: works offline, fast, no extra apps. The cons: folders are messy. DCIM or DSIM names aren't pretty. On MacBook, you connect iPhone to Mac with cable. Open the Photos app on Mac, Launchpad, and then press Photos. Select your iPhone from the sidebar. Choose the photos. Click Import Selected or Import All. Photos are now saved in your Mac's Photos library. So, the pros: clean interface, organized import. The cons: requires Photos app. Method 2, iCloud Photos. If you want photos to sync automatically without cables, go to your iPhone, right, and open up the settings, your name, and then hit iCloud right here. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, hit, photos. All right, and turn on iCloud iCloud Photos, or sync this iPhone. Okay. On laptop, go to Windows, download iCloud for Windows from the Apple site, sign in, and then enable. In Photos, your photos sync into the iCloud Photos folder. On Mac, Photos app automatically syncs if you're using the same Apple ID. The pros: automatic syncing, wireless. The cons: needs enough iCloud storage. 5 GB free isn't enough if you've got thousands of pics. Method 3, AirDrop, Mac only. And this is only doesn't work on PC. For quick transfers, step 1, turn on the AirDrop, right, on your Mac and also your phone. Okay. And go to Finder, AirDrop, and allow from everyone /contact. On iPhone, select Photos, share, AirDrop, and then tap your Mac and accept the files, and they land in your Mac's downloads folder. So if you want an example of this, you select as many photos or videos as possible, hit share, and then select AirDrop, and you're gonna see your device from here. Method 4, email messaging apps. Send photos to yourself if it's just a few, right? So open up your photos, okay, and share it as a Gmail. Okay, you can find it right here. You can prepare or pretend like you're sending a new email for yourself, and go to your PC and open up your Gmail and just head to drafts, and from there you're going to be able to see your photo, and you can download them right from there, right? So you can see right here your photos, hit cancel, right? Go back and use your Gmail on your PC, and then click the three bars at the top left, and then hit drafts, and you're gonna see your photos from here. Okay, quick and universal, but not good for bulk transfers, limited file size. Method 5, third-party cloud services. You can use Google Photos, Dropbox, OneDrive, even Google Drive for that matter. On laptop, visit photos.google.com, right? Log in and download your pics. Works on any device, organized, free up to 15 GB with Google. Needs internet, uses up cloud storage. So, pro tip: if you have huge photo libraries, cable transfer is fastest. If you want constant syncing, iCloud is the way to go. For occasional quick transfers, AirDrop or Google Photos on Windows is best. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.